Hello, my name is Adrian and I'm a master's student in computer science and in business innovation at the University of St. Gallen. Today I'm presenting you GlassBoARd, a gaze-enabled AR interface for collaborative work. Before I start explaining our system in detail, let me quickly give you some background on eye gaze as a non-verbal communication cue. In distributed settings, it can improve the sense of togetherness, co-presence and mutual understanding. However, there's not much previous research on using it in mixed reality environments, especially not in computer-supported collaborative work settings where the collaborators are physically separated. We therefore created our GlassBoARd system, which permits collaborators to see each other's gaze behavior and make eye contact while communicating both verbally and in writing. For this reason, GlassBoARd features a transparent display which is situated between the two users, or the avatar of one user and the other user, which is either wearing a HoloLens or sitting in front of a desktop, and allows the user to see the avatar behind this GlassBoARd, either in a completely virtual space on a desktop or in augmented reality on a HoloLens. What is important to notice here is that we map the eye movements of each collaborator to their respective avatar so that each user can see the collaborator's instant eye movements. We based our work on previous research by SIGCHI and colleagues, which attempted to reduce the spatial, temporal and functional seams between interpersonal space, so this is the space where communication happens, and the shared workspace, which is the space where the collaborators work on a task. Similar to GlassBoARd, we developed GlassBoARd also in 3 iterations, and what is common to all of the 3 iterations is that we outfitted a PC with a Tobii Pro Fusion eye tracker, and on the other side used the Microsoft HoloLens, which already has an eye tracker built in. In the 3rd version of our GlassBoARd, we situated 2 users in physically separated rooms and allowed them to communicate verbally via Zoom, audio only, and of course write on the GlassBoARd and draw on the GlassBoARd and look at the other character or avatar to make eye contact. The goal of the users in our 3rd version of the GlassBoARd was to compete in a game of Teco, which is similar to 4 in a row or tic-tac-toe. In our preliminary assessment of eye contact events which we logged, we see that there is some one-way eye contact and also some two-way eye contact when both users are looking at each other. The question we are now asking is, how does sharing eye gaze in an AR setting affect the communication bandwidth of remote collaboration? Because in theory it should reduce the bandwidth, as we don't have to talk about everything anymore but can sometimes just look at it. We want to do a user study on this, and I hope you found GlassBoARd interesting, and thanks for your attention.